Imagi coders. My name is Veronica. I'm the mechanical engineer in the imagiLabs team, which means I was one of the people who designed and built your imagi charm. And because I'm a mechanical engineer, I enjoy all things related to hardware, but I always try to find time to learn some programming. Originally, I'm from Uzbekistan, but currently I live in one of the East Asian countries, and today I want you to guess which one. But it's not going to be so easy. I'm going to give you 4 facts, which I've programmed through my imagiLabs app, of course to keep practicing programming, but also just to make it fun. And you have to guess which country it is. Are you ready? Let's go. Fact number 1 is that this country is really famous for its cherry blossom trees, also known as sakura, and cherry blossom tree is actually the national symbol of this country. Fact number 2, it consists of 6,852 individual islands. That's a lot, right? Fact number 3, it is really famous for its orange or red shrine gates, and you will find over 80,000 of them spread across the whole country. And fact number 4 is about its traditional food, and I'm talking about sushi, which I love so much. And you probably guessed where I live. Yes, it is Tokyo, the capital of Japan, and here is the animation I've programmed to show you how cool this country is. We have the cherry blossom trees, the island, the shrine gate, and the sushi. I really enjoy living in Japan for its beautiful culture, beautiful people, and also the vibrancy life of Tokyo. And that brings me to day 18 of your coding challenge. Today the task is to create 5 designs or animations in the imagiLabs app, like mine, to show the country where you come from. If you want to find out some coding secrets, then go to our learning hub, and if after that you have some questions, then you can always go to our Discord community, where we'll make sure to answer them. And I'm gonna go meet my friends for karaoke, which was also, by the way, originated in Japan. Sayonara!